afternoon, everybody. It is a rainy day outside today. It's a sleepy day. I be tired like a mug. Look, oh my God. It is raining bad out here, guys. It's crazy. Oh my God, y'all need to look at this. Oh my God.
You making a YouTube video?
That's crazy, bro. This by looking at it make you want to go to sleep, don't it? That's real crazy. But that's a good time I made it home in time before I got wet. No homo though. Oh wee. I'm just doing this to try to get some subscribers, you feel me? I need y'all to support me. Give me some followers, subscribers, all that. Give me some views, everything y'all can get. Just help me out. I don't got nothing. Just help me out, please.
I'm out whatever, it's still up. Run up on me, you get hit up. I got your bitch in the pickup.
And the only reason I'm making a video is boring. I'm out here, my cousin out here listening to music. And cigarettes, that's not good for you. You could get cancer. That's not good for you. But he doesn't care, so don't worry about it. This is me. I'm crazy boy. I'm the one that be acting dumb and crazy. But you can tell I'm not really crazy. I just act like that to make y'all laugh. I do that just to be funny.
Look in the mirror, what do you see? I see someone.
And I was trying to play Fortnite today, but it won't work. I don't know why. That is just messed up. I wanted to play Fortnite today. Guys, I know y'all don't like games, but me, I like games. I'm addicted to games. Fortnite, that's one of my best games. Wait, what's the other one? GTA 2, so please don't judge me. I like games.
You can't get mad at a nigga who getting it if he not carrying y'all away. I had to make a decision. They want a mission to get it while y'all away. I get the call to deliver.
Man, this rain is a shame, bro. Make you want to go to sleep. It's making our yard look bad. But at least that car getting a good wash. And look at this nice old car. Getting washed too. So nice. It is so beautiful.
Until I done got gray hair. Me and Odell back from having conversations relating to life well. I told him I used to have nightmares.
Oh God. Well, thanks for watching. Give me some likes, subscribe, do all what you can to help me out. Thanks. Love you.
From a law we come to a law we must return. Go in the 2 liter and remember the joy we all wear. I put a hole in a